6 APC governorship aspirants have stepped into the ring, all eyeing one thing: Governor Charles Soludo's seat. Ladies and gentlemen, the heat is officially on in Anambra State. Is Charles Soludo's seat even shaking at all? Or is it comfortably sitting tight for the 2027 governorship election? Let's find out. Before we dive into all the details, let's take a moment to run through the names of those gunning for the Anambra Government House coming 2027. There is Dr. Obiora Okonkwo. We have Valentine Ozigbo. We have Honorable Nicholas Ukachukwu. Then there is Engineer Johnbosco Onunkwo. There is Honorable Chuma Umeoji. And finally, Sir Paul Chukwuma. Now, what's shocking to many people is that each of these aspirants has to drop a jaw-dropping 50 million naira just to get APC nomination form. What? That's not even campaign money. Just to pick form, you have to pay 50 million naira. This got me really thinking, what's so special about this seat anyway that people are willing to spend millions just to contest? I mean, is Anambra's governorship seat made of gold? Or are these aspirants simply sure that the returns on investment are worth every single naira? A question going on in everyone's mind, including myself: why are there so many aspirants? Is Charles Soludo not doing well enough? Now we have to ask, why are 6 strong men ready to fight for this one position? Let's not forget, Governor Charles Soludo came in with big plans for Anambra State, right? He promised to turn Anambra State into a smart mega city, clean up the streets, boost security, and create job opportunities. Some people say he's on track as we speak, while others believe he hasn't done enough to deserve a second term. So I ask you again, my people, do you think Soludo has done enough to deserve another 4 years? Or is it just time for fresh blood? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments section. And excuse me, let me quickly say something very important. Why don't you have a professional video advert just yet? You who is a business owner or a brand owner, why haven't you have a professional video advert yet? Your WhatsApp contacts need to see you every day without actually seeing you in person. Your customers are online scrolling right now, and if your business isn't showing up, you're leaving money on the table. Why not let Ebony People TV create high quality, attention-grabbing video adverts for your business? Whether you sell fashion, real estate, food, gadgets, or run a school, hospital, or any business, you need a killer video advert. Reach out to us now on WhatsApp. The number is right on your screen. Let's create magic together and take your brand to the next level. Now, back to our discussion. If you haven't shared this video yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that share button. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, APC in Anambra State. Some people are already shouting, no way, APC can never win in Anambra ever again. We all know that Anambra has historically been an APGA, which is the All Progressive Grand Alliance stronghold. Even Soludo himself is from APGA. But look at this, all 6 of these aspirants are from APC. This means APC is very serious about taking over Anambra State. The question now is Anambra truly ready for an APC governor again? Some people believe APC's presence in Anambra is a no-no because of certain political reasons. Others also argue that party doesn't really matter. What we need is a good leader. What do you think? Are you team Soludo must stay, or your team give us a new leader? Let me know in the comments. Meet the aspirant who has the best chance so far. Let's take a quick look at the men trying to dethrone our ever-charming Governor Charles Soludo. We have Dr. Obiora Okonkwo, a businessman and politician who has been in the game for a while now. Some say he has what it takes, but does he really have what it takes? Let me know in the comment. There is Valentine Ozigbo. He contested against Soludo in 2021 under PDP but lost. Now he's back under the APC umbrella. Is this his redemption moment? There is Honorable Nicholas Ukachukwu, a seasoned politician with experience in governance, but does he have the grassroots support? Then we also have Engineer Johnbosco Onunkwo, a young and vibrant contender with big ideas, but does he have the political muscle to pull this off? We'll also find out in the forthcoming election. And the 5th person is Honorable Chuma Umeoji, another very strong contender, but will Anambra voters take him seriously? Then, last but not the least, is Sir Paul Chukwuma. Not new to politics, but does he have what it really takes to snatch the seat from Charles Soludo? Now tell me, out of these 6 men, who do you think has the strongest chance? Do you think one of them can actually take down Soludo? Let's play a what-if game. What if Soludo loses the election? Will Anambra State continue on its current development path? Will a new governor bring better changes? Will Anambra regret not giving Soludo another chance? But on the flip side, what if Charles Soludo wins again? We'll also find out. At the end of the day, your opinion really matters, so let's settle this in the comment section. Do you think Soludo should get a second term, or is it time for a new governor? Are you in support of an APC governor in Anambra State, or is it APGA all the way? Which of these aspirants do you think has the best chance of winning? I'm waiting to hear from you all. Let's talk in the comments. And also, don't forget to subscribe to Ebony People TV for more hot political discussions just like this one. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And like I mentioned earlier, if you're a business or a brand owner, reach out to us on the WhatsApp number. Now, let's create magic video adverts for your brand and put your business in front of millions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
One youth, ndị a na-empower tata. Anyị na-atụkwa anya na unu nwa ga-eme ọfụma gbado anya ka unu wee empower hundreds of thousands of youths.
At least I'm a beneficiary of this program, and of course, I'm here to say I'm a proud millionaire today. Once again, I say thank you, Mr. Governor. Thank you, the Solution Master. Thank you, the Talk and Do Governor.
When you came with your people's-oriented manifesto, you were very clear and intentional. They are going to create 1,000 youth millionaires every year. But Mr. Governor, you have created 5,000 so far, which I am one of them. In the Anambra, we got more than what we ordered. We ordered for a governor, but here we are. We have a presidential material as a governor. So we'll keep enjoying you. After these 8 years, we know that something higher is up there for you. Thank you, Mr. Governor.
I am exceedingly excited to see a day like this, an event that shows what investing in human capital can do for a society. That those we touched their lives are also thinking about touching the lives of others. Ever grateful to Mr. Governor, Professor Charles Soludo, CFR, for his vision in raising 1,000 youth millionaires annually through One Youth Two Skills Solution, which I must say is a divine program. For the first time in the history of Anambra State, and even in Nigeria as a whole, youths that government empowered are visible.
So let me join in welcoming all of you to this very historic event. If they themselves as young millionaires are now volunteering their resources, and by the way, I want to put it on record that this whole event is organized and funded by them. This is not a government event. As I close my eyes and I try to visualize the future, from what has happened today, that those we just empowered barely 12, 18 months ago are now themselves youthpreneurs, millionaires who are now training 1,000 other youths free of charge. 1,000 of those who benefited came together and said, we have benefited enough, we are doing well. We want to train others and empower others. That's what we've come here to do today. This is a case study in terms of its success and sustainability. With this new spirit, a new Anambra is born. With this, Anambra will explode. With this new spirit, the Anambra as an industrial, entertainment, technology-driven commercial hub is on its way. Once you finish the training, we will partner with you to make sure that they are empowered to get into the field. We will spend whatever it takes on our youths, because that's our today and that's our tomorrow. I want to thank you all, and may God bless you, bless Anambra State, and bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.